today?
Today, I'm gonna modify the water cooler intercooler for jetski. This is for my customer, and the jetski gonna be turbo. Alright?
Turbo jetski, guys.
Yep. I think it's about like 75 horsepower.
Look at this. Check it out. And look in the cooler. Have to weld it or something. It's kind of weird here. Weld it, guys, or something. Here, I don't know. Wait until it turn out.
Tie it down in place, clean it.
Have to be really clean before it weld, guys. Otherwise, the weld not gonna look good. I don't know what this what model of jet ski coming off. I have to ask the owner and see what happened. Gas setup. Yeah. Now for welding, guys. Master Pham gonna do the work here. Go over this side so you can see better. Okay, weld it all here. Yeah, so we got all that going there, and that's a fit in here, and all that. Yeah. Yeah, let me grind it, man. Make it look nicer. Like that. Yeah. Like that. Make it look nicer for him. So it looks very nice right now. You can check it out. All the way up here. Right here. Everything. Good now, guys. All this is ready to go. All welded here. Yeah. Nice. Turbo jet ski, guys. Jet ski, you put it on.
It's a 04 STX 15F.
Turbo,
250. Ultra 250 slot.